subject verb agreement. Yes, the subject and the verb. The subject and the verb must agree. Some of us would think it easy, but some of us don't. That's why me and my groupmates have prepared to you techniques and rules for a better subject-verb agreement. Let's start on the basic rule. The basic rule is, if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. For example, Anna sings a song. Since Anna is singular, then we need to use a singular verb, and that verb is sings. Same goes with a plural subject takes a plural verb. Our second example is, the dogs are barking at me. Since the subject is plural, we also need to use a plural verb.
Okay, let's proceed to rule number 1. If two singular subjects are connected by or, either, neither, or nor require a singular verb. Let's say, for example, either Maria or Juana is coming to the party. So, our two subjects here are connected by or, so we use a singular verb. Second example is, neither Carmen nor Karen is available tonight. And also, since our two subjects here are connected by nor, we use also singular verb.
Rule number 2. Use plural verb with 2 or more subjects when they are connected by and. For example, Simon and Tasio are best friends.
Let's proceed to rule number 3. Use a singular verb with distances, periods of time, and sums of money when considered as a unit. 3 miles is too far to walk. Then, 4 years is the maximum sentence for that offense. Dollars is a high price to pay. Since miles is a unit of distance, and 4 years is a unit of period of time, and dollars is a sum of money, we must use a singular verb, which is the verb is. Rule number 4. The word were replaces was in sentences that expresses a wish or are contrary to fact. Example, if Mariano were here, Gina would be happy. Since it expresses a wish, we use the word were instead of was. Sentence demonstrates a subjunctive mood, which is used to express things that are hypothetical, wishful, imaginary, or factually contradictory. The subjunctive mood pairs singular subject with what we usually think of as plural verb.
And those are some of the subject-verb agreement rules. Thank you for watching.